This group will never succeed, I predict it. One group cannot be allowed by the population to usurp their franchise powers, whether by force, coercion, or bribery. Furthermore, many members of the mafia gang are not popular. They will obviously spark off a nationwide resistance, and it could lead to a revolution. Therefore, maintaining their presence in the government and how they conduct things means that we agree to be humiliated by these people. This can work in the short term, but cannot be a permanent solution. Musa abantu malwaliro biyegalise n'abantu batandise okubakubako ogenda olwaliro tayinza kusula mu kibuga, tayinza kusula mu omwana bali bamupate entemu naye tamukwata ku bintu bya muzeeyi
babireke
banyabo mwamukubira bwene batuzaala myoyo era nagamba nyabo nti kyusa etteeka likyuke ery'Abaganda nazaala omulungi bakugamba success has many fathers and mothers,
but failure is an orphan.
I have my mother Mutoro is in London. He rings me every morning. Mutabani wasuzotia. There is a woman who came. Baba de mbiaketa. Yes, I am but the mujala mujima. Ndi. Nonya mutabani wange mu Kampala. Ndi ane Meru.
Muzanu kaza mima ya zaradi.
Yakasajja kuwama kafana n'obunyala. Unyali benyira wako yennyini. Robe nasanga bagambwa akasajja kamirundi bakazali mu Banyarwanda mbanankabiro. I have my relatives
everywhere.
Waliwo taata wange adapted father ali gone Kaviri, nze Kaviri bali bagala okubba ebintu bye bamukutte bamukubalokoza munafu nayingira mu wa magistrate court, magistrate